Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to export Mailchimp email as HTML. First of all, open up the Mailchimp site in your web browser. Here, click on Create. From here, you can create email and much more. Tap to view the design email of regular email. Then tap to design the content of your email. Click to design email. You can select any template from here. Click on the Apply button of any template you like. From here, you can make any changes you want. Then click to save and exit. Once you save the template, click to exit from the top left corner. Go back to the home page and tap on All Campaigns. Here you can see your created email template. Click on the arrow beside the Edit option. Here you can find the Export button. Tap on the Export button and export that email in HTML. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.